Hello, on today's video I want to remove few unwanted behaviors we have. So first, when we press play, our flash, as you can see here, got instantiated without shooting. Let's do it again. Yeah, it's here. So to fix that, just go to your flash prefab and untag play on awake. That way it will be only instantiated when we are shooting, as you can see here. So that's nice. Another one is strange movement. When we hit a wall, box or something that have a collider attached, as you can see here, I just take my hands away from keyboard and the player moves itself. The reason why it happened, because when we hit the wall, we receive some angular velocity, as you can see here. So to fix this issue, we just need to freeze our rotation on Z direction. So now, as you can see here, we do not receive any angular velocity. So we can consider this bug as fixed. Another thing I want to have is our zombies working properly. So let's go to our zombies and let's activate them, and I will show you what's happening. Here we have the walls, but our zombies are passing the walls. So to fix that issue, we need to add rigid body to our zombies. So let's go to our zombie prefab and add component rigid body 2D. The zombies are created from our prefab. So when we will, and we also need to freeze rotation, and let's change gravity scale to 0. Our zombies have 10 health. Okay. So now, when we'll go here, as you can see here, our zombies cannot pass the walls. And to we fix that, and I will show you another bug we have. Here, when we shoot our boxes, and we'll shoot our zombie, you can see what's happening here. Our bullet is starting adding force to our zombies, and we don't want to have that behavior. So let's get to our bullet and let's change the mass of our bullet to 0. Okay, as you can see here, now it works correctly. So, as you can see here, if we move here for zombies, sooner or later zombies will kill each other. We don't want to have that behavior. So to fix that, let's go to our zombie script. The zombie script is attached. And you go to our prefab, to our zombie stand, and here, this is that script. So to fix that, we need to check what we collide with. So if we don't want to make any damage to our between our zombies, so we can use like something that we were using in the when we were looking for the target. So we can tag our zombie, and yeah, we tag zombie, and if we hit zombie, we don't want to do any damage. So let's go here, and collision health system is equal to null, and this and collision dot game object get tag, tag is not equal to So we are checking if we are hitting something different than zombie. So let's tag our zombies with zombie name. Attack. Okay, what's it? Cannot attacks. Okay, strange, very strange. Oh yeah, here it works. And let's add tag zombie. So let's make default tag for a zombie. So now all of our zombies will be tagged zombie, and now they will not kill each other. Okay, so that works fine for me. And those zombies will sooner or later destroy the boxes and they will go through. So that's what I want to have on our game. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and if you like the video, please put the thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next episode. Bye.